Welcome to my planet. As per the request from many subscribers, we are here with the 10 largest rainforests in English. When you believe that all things are possible and you're willing to work hard to accomplish your goals, you can achieve the next impossible dream. No dreams is too high. Thank you all for making my planet 100 subscribers. Before going to the video, kindly subscribe the channel My Planet. Rainforests are characterized by high and continuous rainfall with annual rainfall of 100 inch. Nearly 40 to 75% of all biotic species are indigenous to the rainforest. The brief description of rainforest will be seen in upcoming videos. Amazon forest. It has an area of 55 lakh square kilometer and it is the world's largest rainforest which spans 9 countries in total, covering 40% of the South American continent. In that, Brazil is covered with 60%, followed by Peru 13%, Colombia with 10%. The forest is estimated to be covered by 390 billion individual trees divided into 16,000 species. The rainforest also contains several species and among the largest and predatory creatures including cougar, jaguar and anacondas. Congo Rainforest, Central Africa. It is the world's second largest rainforest with an area of 17 lakh 80,000 square kilometers. The forests are found in the Central Africa. The Congo rainforest is also widely recognized for its high level of biodiversity, characterized by more than 600 tree species and 10,000 animal species. These rainforests cover 6 countries: Cameroon, the Central African Republic, the Republic of Congo, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Equatorial Guinea, and Gabon. In this forest, chimpanzees, African lions, African elephants, and gorillas are the famous ones. New Guinea rainforest. The rainforest of New Guinea covers 65% of the land area in Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. It is the world's third largest rainforest with an area of 288,000 square kilometers. The dense rainforest has some unique animals like Sumatran tigers, Sumatran elephant, king cobra, owls and monkeys. Valdivian rainforest, Southern America. Found on west coast of southern South America in Chile and Argentina, spreads over an area of 2,48,100 square kilometers. This is the world's fourth largest rainforest. Here, angiosperm trees, bamboos, coniferous trees, and ice sheets are the highlight of these forests. Some rare animal species like southern pudu, the world's smallest deer, are found in this rainforest, which is followed by the world's smallest cat. These species are considered as an endangered species. Chile's wineberry, one of the plant species, attracts a lot of hummingbirds in this forest. Eastern Australian temperate rainforest stretching from central coastal New South Wales up into southeast Queensland spreads over 2,22,100 square kilometer and is the world's fifth largest rainforest. This forest is famous for Blue Mountain National Park, which attracts thousands of tourists every year. The presence of eucalyptus trees are more in these forests with 275 bird species including straight-headed thornbills and red goshawk. The broad-headed snake and the shuttering frog also exist in this region. The Heart of Borneo is a conservation agreement initiated by the Worldwide Fund for Nature, which was signed by Indonesia, Malaysia and Brunei to protect the 2,20,000 square kilometer of national park. It is the world's sixth largest rainforest. It is considered as Asia's last rainforest with more than 350 bird species and 10,000 plant species. These forests also has Sumatran tiger, Sumatran elephant, pygmy elephant and orangutan. The Bornean rhinoceros is the most threatened animal with only 25 individuals remaining. These forests are under the threat of deforestation. The Pacific temperate rainforest stretching over a narrow coastal corridor from the Canada to the United States of America. It has an area of 60,346 square kilometers and is the world's seventh largest rainforest. The rainforest incorporates the Tongass National Park, Alaska and the Great Bear Rainforest, Canada. The presence of maplewood are more in this forest. Many of the most iconic photos of these forests includes grizzly bears and black bears. The tropical rainforest heritage of Sumatra site was inscribed as in UNESCO's World Heritage, comprising 3 Indonesian national parks: Mount Leuser National Park, Kerinci Sebelat National Park and Bukit Barisan National Park. It has an area of 25,000 square kilometer and world's 8th largest rainforest. It has more than 380 species of birds. The Bornean clouded leopard are considered as an endangered species. It also has Sumatran tigers, Sumatran elephant and orangutans. For the past 3 decades, the forests are under the threat of deforestation. Bosphorus Biosphere Reserve is a tropical rainforest in Nicaragua with an area of 20,000 square kilometers and is the world's ninth largest and Western Hemisphere's second largest rainforest. After the Amazon Brazil, Bosphorus is largely unexplored and extremely rich in biodiversity. Within Bosphorus, nearly 2 lakh insect species and more than 700 Nicaraguan bird species potentially found in the reserve. Also, the cougar and jaguar are the top predators. Westland temperate rainforests are located along the central west coast of New Zealand's South Island, with an area of 11,880 square kilometers and world's 10th largest rainforest. Much of this area is protected by the Westland Tai Poutini National Park. This national park also provides an opportunity to see key, spur-winged plover, and kiwi. Approximately half of the New Zealand's native forest birds are extinct. A large number of spiders in this forest live in ground and do not build web. You might have noticed some common factors in this video like deforestation, endangered species. This is because of human activities that causes damage to the environment on a global scale.